Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to present to you my haul for the past 2 months. Last month, I was able to purchase this bomber jacket or varsity jacket from Zara, and I bought it in a authorized store in Metro Manila. What I like about this is the letter B, which is my nickname, Ben. And this jacket has 2 pockets on both sides, left and right. And the sleeves seems to be a synthetic leather, and this is white on both arms, and you have a letter NY, which is I think New York, and this is, I think this is size small. And inside, and of course this is the fabric is satin, it's shiny, and it is very thin, and it has a lining inside, and there is also a pocket with a stop button inside on the left side of the shirt or jacket. At the back, you have this embroidery. I think this embroidery is just sewn at the back. A very nice touch, and you have a knitted piece on the neckline. This is very nice. And of course at the hem, you have also a knitted piece on the hem, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons in front, snap buttons. And the sleeves, we have also a knitted hem or opening on the sleeves. This came from Zara. I think the price is 5,000 pesos. This is almost $100. And it is true to size, and it fits me well. It's a good jacket for colder weather here in the Philippines. Next is another bomber jacket that I got from UNIQLO. This is a very nice bomber jacket, and the size is small. This one is color green, and it has a very nice lining. It has a very nice lining, and they call this this is the short utility short blossom, and this is size small, and the price is 3,990. It is very nice for cold weather, and you don't have any snap on the hem of the sleeves. This is very nice. It tapers off on the sleeves, and it has side pockets. Another side pocket here. The fabric is very nice. It can be used here in the Philippines, and you have corduroy as the color, and there is also a keeper here where you can have the colors button up and enclose it. nice. I have here also a denim oversight, and they call it utility jacket. This is a utility jacket. It has one breast pocket and two pockets on the hem, big pockets. This is also size small, and the price is 2,490. This is not on sale, and this is very new in their inventory. This is 100% cotton actually, so it's very nice. I can use it in as my part of my workwear here in my backyard. And the last is another work shirt or oversight, the same with the denim one, but this is colored brown. The fabric is also a denim fabric, but it is dyed in brown, and this is small and it is very soft. I think the fabric is 10 to 11 ounces per square yard, and just the same, this is 2,490. The size is small, and this is a utility jacket. Just like the denim, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 buttons at the front. The buttons are very nice, very big. And as usual, it has an extra button at the inside. This is okay. Nice pockets. And if you're wondering, I usually get my jackets with a measurement of 17 inches on the shoulder. So it's nice.